Okay, so let me talk about what legal business form is usually used when you are operating these social enterprises. Starting about a year and a half ago, a bill was passed from Andrew Cuomo, starting the Benefits Corporation in New York, the B Corp. It's a new type of business entity that, just like the social enterprise, it blends the features of the regular C Corp and LLC, the for-profit, and the social purpose of a nonprofit. It blends it. It has both purposes. So that's sort of a new entity that has been enacted here about a year and a half ago. And it's very, so that's the normal entity that's used to operate these social enterprises for the most part. In the past, before that, how you could do it is people would use for-profit, C Corps or LLCs, and then they modify the shareholder agreement and the bylaws of the corp or the operating agreement in the LLC to include in there a social purpose. And the reason is that is because if they didn't, as a C Corp, the directors could be held liable for not fulfilling their fiduciary duty if they did have any type of social purpose, not maximizing private activity. So the Benefit Corp solves that problem. Another way they used to do it and still do sometimes is through joint ventures. That's very popular with the social enterprise. So strategic partnerships where a nonprofit and a for-profit may combine together to provide some type of social benefit through economic activity. So the joint venture is very popular. That can be in the form of an LLC that they form together, just an agreement, just a joint venture agreement. And then a third is through subsidiaries. They always had the option, if a for-profit wanted to engage in some type of social benefit activity that wasn't permitted under their corporate regulations, they would form a subsidiary nonprofit and conduct activity through that. And vice versa, the nonprofit would form a for-profit subsidiary to conduct economic activity that they otherwise could not do. One of the reasons they passed this B Corp and they provided it because those other options were very complicated and caused a lot of problems. There was a lot of discrepancy between complications with taxes. It was very easy for a corporation to change their shareholder agreement. So if you started a corporation, you didn't know in 15 years if new management took over, they can get rid of that social purpose clause themselves very quickly. So the Benefit Corp is usually the way to go with the social enterprises, and that's sort of the new type entity. So and of course, every situation is different, and so it's on a case-by-case basis, so you always have to determine what's the best legal entity